Okay, just crossing a little bridge that goes over the inlet from the ocean, and there are lots of fishing boats. They're quite colorful. And they do have these special lights to attract the squid at night. I'll get a closer look and talk about it more. Okay, so here's close up of the boats, and you can see the lights there. The sun's behind it. So they're very, very bright, and like I said, it's used for the squid. Squid are pretty stupid. They're attracted to bright light. I've even done it with a bright flashlight in Roatan, Honduras, where I have a house. And yeah, it works. But I mean, just catch what you want to eat or sell, I guess, to a restaurant. They're not too smart, and they usually travel in packs or schools or whatever they're called when it's squid. This is a much better example of how you can see how many they use.
Okay.
The light bulbs. It's amazing. Yeah? Okay?
Okay.
Just one boat. And you see them out at night on the horizon. They can be so bright. I don't know how much electricity they actually use, these fishermen, but very effective. Squid is extremely popular in Phu Quoc and Vietnam in general, of course. So as far as I'm aware, that is a difference between Vietnam and Thailand. That style of squid fishing boat with the super light bright bulbs to attract them. I haven't seen that in Thailand. I certainly haven't been to all of the islands in the south, and I've been to Phuket. I didn't see it. It could be there. It's a big island. Like I said, if anybody knows otherwise, please comment below in the description. Let me know. I'd love to. But I'm pretty sure they don't have it in Thailand. Maybe it's illegal because squid are dumb. And you catch too many too fast. And Vietnam's kind of lawless. That's another difference. Even though, you know, you think of communists, maybe you think of China and very strict government. Well, I don't know how strict the government is in Vietnam, but there's a whole lot of loose corruption and the Wild West vibe compared to Thailand. Okay, so patiently I wait for these squid boats to go out. Wait, these aren't squid boats, I don't think. I think these are just tourist ferry boats that go around the island. But anyways, it's a beautiful shot. The sunset's going down, and we'll get the bright lights on the horizon in the dark in a little bit. Here it comes. Just wait. You can see people are using their own personal flashlights to get whatever they can, whether it's squid or other sea creatures. But right over there on the horizon of the sea are the squid boats. They are so bright. Wow. Poor squids don't stand a chance. But like I always say, I'm not a vegetarian, so I do enjoy the taste of squid. So I'll just pan here in normal, and then I'm gonna zoom, give you a better perspective. It's an endless line. fishing boats. Super bright lights. That one. Wow. That's blinding. Good luck, squids. I hope you stand a fighting chance against these bright lights you're attracted to. Okay, so I've just walked the entire length. I don't think you should call it a pier. It's probably a jetty is the correct maritime expression, because it's like a water breaker, so the boats can come in over here. Like there's one coming in right now over there. And lots of fishermen, like there's poles here just for regular fishing. These guys are fishing, and just a closer perspective without a zoom, you can see how bright it is for the squid boats. And I don't know when they come in, but I got a long way back to my so-called homestay, which isn't a homestay, it's just a hotel. But you know one interesting thing? I didn't see one foreign tourist. Everybody's Vietnamese from the language they're speaking. So that's pretty interesting out here. Heading back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Comment, like, share. Have fun. Okay. Good night.